Hopefully, guys, you all are having a wonderful day. We are back with another post-match game. I'm doing this a little bit late, but Manchester United 0, Crystal Palace 0. This is a game where we we could have won the game, but we ended up sharing the points, and this is not a great thing. We lost the points here. I would say we lost 2 points here, and we lost 2 points, 3 points again against Brighton. So what went wrong? I would say the starting lineup. Marcus Rashford should have started. You don't rotate your player, especially Marcus Rashford type of player who needs confidence and who needs confidence in the continuous running of the games. So, and we all know he cannot make impact from the bench as Alejandro Garnacho does. And for me, I think that was not the right decision, whether it was down to rotation or whether it was down with something else. But that was, I think, not the right decision. Let me know what do you guys think. I also think Alejandro Garnacho starting the games for Manchester United, this is too big of a ask for him. Last season he did, but this season I think we should start off with Marcus Rashford, and then we should substitute Alejandro Garnacho as an impact sub, and I think he can give us a lot of goals, If if we would have made some impact sub uh, of Alejandro Garnacho in this game, he could have scored the goal, but I don't think so. He is the starter. His input, his contribution for the full 90 minutes is not right. This is the selection issue. Apart from that, I was concerned initially with midfield of Kobe and Ericsson, but they did absolutely well. So the main problem is we created lots of chances, and during the first half, we dominated the first half. There is no such concerns about the coaching. Erik Ten Hag set up this team perfectly for the first half, and these guys created a lot of chances, but they missed a lot of chances. So I would say Bruno has to step up. Bruno is having stinker after stinker after stinker after stinker in this uh, season, and I have been saying this. If Bruno does not score, if Bruno does not provide the assist, then there should be question marks over his participation in the game, because his impact in the game is not that great. So he lost the ball, I think 33 times in that game. So I think this is not the great signs for that. Uh, so first half went well. Glasner made some changes, and then Crystal Palace tried to get foothold into the game, and they were creating the chances. They were absolutely creating the chances, and if we combine the game, the chances are equal. The second half, they had more chances, they had more transitions, because Glasner is a astute coach. He is a tactical, brilliant mind. He identified the mistakes and he corrected the mistakes by substituting the players. However, I think what Erik Ten Hag did was substituting Zirkzee was not the right call. It was absolutely not the right call, and substituting Zirkzee with Rashford, with no player who is able to do link up, and I would say it should have been the like for like substitution for Alejandro Garnacho, and we should have kept Zirkzee for more time, and we could have substituted Zirkzee with Rasmus Højlund, but honestly, I don't get his substitutions, what he was thinking, and what he was actually doing. So substitutions were not right, and I think he should have substituted Bruno as well in 65-70 minutes mark. Maybe I would say if Mason Mount was not ready is still for the impact. However, if you are in the matchday squad, then you are ready for the game. He should have come on. If no, he was not ready for some reasons, for game management, whatever Eric Ten Hag says, then I would say he should have brought on Casemiro as 8, and uh, he should have instructed Ericsson to play higher up the pitch. So this is what my thoughts are. Number one is Marcus Rashford should have been started. Number two is uh, Eric Ten Hag got his substitutions wrong, and number three is our players were obviously wasteful in front of the goal in the first half, but we created a lot of XG. We have some clear goal scoring opportunities which we could not score, and we conceded the goals. So let me know what are your thoughts about the game, and do you agree with me or not?